Yes, again. Yes, hello. Hopefully you've seen the other videos. Okay, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft secret door, or secret room, really. So say if you have like, let's say, first of all, just make sure when you've dug out your room, make sure it's all one material, otherwise it looks stupid like mine. I'm not here to do that, I'm here to show you what to do. So you want your, first of all, dig out your room, your main room, and then your wanted secret room. Maybe you want, let's say, if you have a multiplayer server and you want a secret bedroom if you want or something like that. It's all good. Yeah, so you've done that. Quickly dig out this room. Otherwise it will be pretty tricky if you have a different things unless you did it like this. So first of all you want to dig out the sides of this, or one side here. Only a little bit, but still. And also it's going to be in the corner of the room, so no one will suspect it in the corner of the room. No, okay, that's wrong, sorry. Right there. Like that. Then for me, I'm going to put stone at the bottom and soil on the top because obviously that's what it's like. Then comes the cool bit. Well, it's not exactly cool. But first, just do this quickly. You'll need a fixture, a painting. Preferably a big one. And try and make stuff around your base, like, you know, look a bit like this so they wouldn't suspect anything. So, yeah, just try and do this really. I also feel like it different still. If you dug up one, well, I'm just doing this quickly, so just dig your room up another one. Ah, just missed that one. Yes, good. You want something like that, or a big one, like. Like that. Now here comes the hard bit. Do not mind the painting. Just watch out, don't mind. Like that. Wait. Now. Dig back. Anyway, forget about that. Terribly sorry. Still keeping with the subject. Another secret room to keep this one we've got. I totally fucked this up. Again, make a tiny little secret room, which is going to be like a control room, really. So make sure no one can like see you, so maybe put a door there or something like that so no one can see you when you're going in it. Which is probably the point of the yeah. Like that, if you're sure. Like that. Oh, no, okay. Sorry about that. Put that back. So have this control room as big as you want. Which, if you don't want that behind there, it's just going to be just simple fill full of whatever. Bob's your uncle. Hang around. You're gonna have this. Your lever is going to go there. Right. You didn't see that TMI? Then you're going to want to get your redstone. Yes, you need redstone. Like always, redstone's epic. You can do it another way if you want, like maybe there, but I'm doing this way. The room. So yeah, once you've done that, if you don't want any of this, do that. I know, thinking, oh look at that. Didn't even suspect a thing. But just remember where that is, okay? The secret room door. Yep, secret room. Thank you. I am Stinky Studios. Good day.